All right, we got an NYPD pursuit of a murder suspect on a body cam. We really don't get too many NYPD body cams, so thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it.
In New York City, police are alerted to shots fired by the city's acoustic gunshot detection system called ShotSpotter, which allows for an immediate police response even before any 911 calls are placed. Notably,
I don't even see how y'all feel comfortable shooting in New York. They gun laws is crazy. You get charged by the bullet, I heard.
This incident takes place the following day, less than 6 miles away from the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. And police were still without a suspect in custody. Officers likely have this on their minds as they approach their scene in the 88th precinct. What follows is extremely rare footage of a daytime pursuit in rush hour traffic by the NYPD. Upon arrival, one witness told officers the shooting suspect was in a vehicle.
I'm not gonna lie, this body cam or this reaction video is the most NYPD thing that you could get. He sounds just like he's from New York.
With an out-of-state license plate, which was mounted at a single screw. Within 15 minutes, officers from the 84th precinct located a vehicle matching the witness's description roughly
84th precinct. Does anybody know what precinct that is?
A mile away, near the intersection of Fulton and Washington. As officials attempted to pull them over, the vehicle fled, leading to a multi-cruiser pursuit in the congested streets of downtown Brooklyn. What officers don't know, there is a 3-year-old girl in the backseat of the suspect vehicle.
You just tried to do a drive-by with a child in the car? You piece of shit. What the hell? With the baby in the car? You couldn't have been a piece of shit any other time with your child in the car, bro.
Body cameras on. Body cameras on. Body cameras on. I can't hear the transmissions. I can't hear the transmissions.
Is NYC always this congested? He about to wreck. Oh my damn.
Talk to me, Sarge.
Talk to me, Sarge.
It's got a firearm in there. That's as far as I'm concerned. Keep going.
People just be riding their bikes in the city like that, like with the cars and shit. They don't be riding on the sidewalk.
Why the f is he trying to pass me, bro?
Obviously, you're not doing a good job.
Get me help. Get me help over here. Watch, they're gonna throw something out.
Yeah.
People running. There's people running. Careful. Careful.
Oh. Hey, officer in front is not fucking around, bro. You about to go to jail. Sheesh.
Why do I have not a help? I need help from other commands. Why didn't they block that car, man? That was stupid.
This shit is so New York and I love it. I love the accents.
He's gonna get stuck. He's gonna get stuck. Maybe not.
Oh. Oh shit. Hey, officer in the front don't get no fix, bro.
Turn left.
Bro, it's literally no room to drive, bro. I would hate. No, I could live in New York. Fuck that.
Watch out.
Man, get out the way.
We're in the 7-7. We're close to the 7-7 precinct itself. It's turning out to Utica. Empty out the 7-7. We're going towards the 7-7 itself, the physical building. In front of the precinct. We're in front of the precinct. In front of the 7-7.
I wish we got more New York body cams because I love the way they talk.
In front of the 7-7. We are physically in front of the 7-7.
Bro, really know his way through New York.
He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck.
Oh! Oh!
Officers reported they were unaware of the 3-year-old girl in the backseat prior to firing 19 times, whose condition will be revealed via body cam momentarily.
No.
Police killed 21-year-old passenger Christopher Ferguson, who they allege pointed a pistol at them. Christopher was driven by his alleged 21-year-old girlfriend, whose name is redacted.
Damn, she could drive got that car, can't she?
She was shot twice in the right thigh.
She better than me, because I'll be like, hey, look, you get your ass out the car. You done.
Before being apprehended.
We got our baby in the car, bro. What the fuck?
And was later indicted by a Brooklyn grand jury on first-degree reckless endangerment and other child endangerment charges. After
How you got your child in the car? Baby, you supposed to be like, nah, this shit done. We done. That's it.
Afterwards, police held a briefing where they revealed an ongoing investigation involving Christopher.
Well, we become aware that this male is someone who's wanted for a homicide that occurred back in March, a particularly vicious homicide that I had the opportunity to observe on camera.
Once news of Christopher's death broke, his mother advocated for the release of the body cam footage.
Somebody needs to answer for why my son was shot. I don't even want to believe that it's him until I see with my own eyes.
I don't care what crime that Christopher did. 17 shots is excessive.
That's a lot. But I don't care what he did. That's just the father's unconditional love for their child. Even though, I don't know what he was shooting. He started shooting at him, bro. Like, y'all got away from the cops. Then when they finally get up on you, you brandish a gun. Come on now. I don't know how you expected this to end. If anything, for the safety of my daughter, I would have just told my girl, hey, look, just let me get out. Let's just stop this. Like, instead, you lost your life. Your daughter could have been killed. Like, the worst of the worst,
My
bro.
son was 100 pounds. 2 shots could have killed them. They didn't need all of that.
Per the usual protocol.
They didn't know that, though, baby. I'm sorry, but they did not know that.
Regarding officer-involved shootings, NYPD released the footage around 30 days later, shedding light on the uncertainty.
He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck.
Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Is the baby okay? Oh, Officer Aguilar. Oh. All right, he was overkill. That one that was in front of the car, buddy, right there. That was definitely overkill, bro. Hold on. That was excessive because Aguilar already was shooting at him, right? Cool. But I mean, come on, bro. I don't even see nothing in his hand. No, hold on. We gotta play that back. We gotta go to Officer Aguilar. This definitely. I believe that this is definitely over excessive. Hold on. Look right there. You can't. What is that? Does he have something in his hand? Oh shit. He had a gun in his hand. Oh, bro. Fuck. Hold on. No. Why would you have a gun in your hand, bro? Oh my God. Look, he got the gun in his hand. Is he pointing it? Oh yeah, he pointed it. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That was a wrap. And then right there, him shooting, he seen the gun too. He emptied the whole clip. Oh. Ooh. That's crazy. Officer, fine, baby.
A slow-motion review of Officer Aguilar's body cam shows Christopher was armed with his pistol and pointed it.
He pointed it at. Damn. Damn.
At officials moments before officers fired. Officials also recovered CCTV footage that captured the initial gunfire that triggered ShotSpotter. It appears to show Christopher firing at a passerby at close range, briefly leaving his vehicle to get a better shot. He quickly gets back in the passenger seat before they drive off, where the visibly candid out-of-state license plate mentioned by witnesses can be seen. Vehicle pursuits in downtown New York may sound uncommon, but they have surged in recent years after a policy change removed restrictions on them. A total of 214 pursuits in 2022 jumped to 1,593 in 2023.
They need to put that shit back in. They need to put that shit back in place because they running crazy with it, bro.
Despite overall crime declining, including a nearly 25% drop in shootings and 12% decrease in murders, according to NYPD data. It also shows officers conducted 2,278 vehicle pursuits in 2024, with 1 in 4 resulting in a crash, property damage, or injury. Data shows 2/3 of those pursuits began after a traffic stop. With public safety in mind, a policy change was made. Since February 2025, NYPD cruisers can no longer pursue a vehicle unless officers have probable cause to believe the suspect has committed a violent crime. Even under this new policy, this chase likely would have been authorized. Several months later, investigations concluded that officers would not be criminally charged for this incident, closing the case.
Why would they be charged for that, bro? Bro brandished a gun against these people. Bro brandished a gun against these people. What? Baby, you going to jail. That's it. Stick a fork in you. You're done. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.